we are in North American surgery. This is the last day I'll be wearing this specs.
Sa ikutin po, medyo mahapdi lang po siya. Mga 30 seconds na.
Bawal magsalita.
Ano ba talaga yung salita niyo, sir?
Mga 1 month.
Hindi ba siya ba? Sabihin, nag-effect na po yung So, i-emphasize ko lang yung anesthesia sa eyeball lang po siya. So, sa skin, nag-feel mo yan. Tapos mamaya, pag maglalagay ng clip si doctor to keep your eyes open, mag-feel mo yun, medyo uncomfortable lang siya sa balat. Pero yung eyeball itself, manhid siya. So, hindi mo mag-feel. They will feel kong pressure during the flap creation. Pero other than that, wala kang mag-feel na pain. Okay?
Keep your hands in your belly for the whole procedure. Don't bring it to your face at all. You need to look to a green light and to help you keep focusing on it. And put for you please to keep your eye open. And I will explain to you step by step what happens. First, I'll bring you to under the machine.
One cylinder on the right.
Yeah. I bring you to under the machine. I will just adjust your head. Now we confirm your name and your information before we start.
Time out. Holy Rosary Agustin Lacanlala. Date of birth is May 13, 1979. ID 1344442 for ultrabasic procedure, both eyes. Correct, ma'am?
Yeah?
Yes.
You are ready, yeah? And we'll do for you monovision, yeah? Right eye fully corrected, left eye. We keep some of the power for reading.
Another refraction, left eye, -4 sphere, -0.75 cylinder, axis T1. Manifest, -2.5 sphere, -0.75 cylinder, axis 1.5. And then the refraction, -2.75 sphere, -1 cylinder, axis 161. Manifest, -3 sphere, -1 cylinder, axis 160.
So I put for you now. Big body, sir. Big lang pula. Hey.
Ikaw ba yung uncomfortable sa
Sige. Ito yung ano ito? Ito yung...
Excimer laser to correct your power. And that small one there is for the flap creation.
Ito po yung ginipig namin. Kung magsa-successful.
Pagkatapos ko kasi may mga abang-abang eh. Naghihintay sa akin. Yung kapatid niya, gusto rin.
So hinihintay yung resulta sa
Gusto rin umabot na yung
So,
mga.
ang laking ginipig.
Tapos, may